module, we are going to see the administration part in the OpenVas. So on the left hand side, you have the administration section where you are going to get users, groups, roles, permission, performance, threshold, and feed status. User is someone who is a unique identity and has access to the OpenVas. For example, the vulnerability analyst, stakeholders, the reader, the auditor who requires to get access, then we create a user from here. There are groups. For example, we have a L1 team, L2 team, L3 team. So we can consider a group and we can give a role what L1 can do, what L2 can do, what L3 has access in the OpenVas. So complete access management for better utilization and following the principle of least privilege, we can create different set of users, different set of groups, and different set of roles permissions for the particular cases. Let's see how the things would be looking like. Before creating a user, I would like to create a first of all role. Role is what they are allowed to perform. For example, I can give something like vulnerability analyst L1 role, and this is my custom. This I have created by default. Admin, guest, information, monitor, observer, user. These are the standard roles that are offered by the OpenVas. We are here to create a custom role. I can write a comment that this role defines rights for L1 analysts. Who are the users part of it? We don't want, just save it up. We can later add the users into this role. Now, what this role can do, that we need to select here. So you select the role and it would give you the comment and the users. Now just go ahead and edit it up. Now users we have not defined. Permissions, what L1 can do. You can create a permission later, but these are the default permissions that are available. For example, L1 can authenticate. Just go ahead and create a permission. Now authenticate has been added. L1 can create an asset, give it. Two permissions we have assigned. L1 can create a filter. Three permissions has been assigned. Let's give only three for the L1. We don't have such any group here. Just go ahead and save it up. Now the role has been given the permission. Now we want to apply permissions on the group level or on the user level. That is up to us. We can create group called as L1 analyst group. Custom group created for managing L1 analyst. Which user you want to be the part of here? As of now also leave it empty because we have not created a user. When we create a user, we are going to assign them all these things. Special groups create permission to grant full read and write access among all the group members and across any resources. A group admin want to create it, then you require these things. Just leave it as it is. Now permissions, here it would give you all set of permissions. You have 234 total. Okay, it is as of now is showing 1 to 10. You can go and see what different types of permissions it is, and if you click on it, it would give you the role. User level can do all these things. Create a ticket, user, delete an alert. User level role can help you out with everything, but creation of user would be taking different types of permissions. So now you go to the user level. I have already one user created while we did the installation. I want multiple users to be added now. So click on add. I'll give you a name, something like John L1. Comment. John is L1 analyst. Any sort of things you want to give. Password for the John you need to create. I'm going to write Now, which role you would like to create? Now, see, the default roles are coming and our custom role, that is the vulnerability analyst L1 role, is coming. You select that particular role. You can give multiple roles, but yeah, as of now, we are giving him L1 role as a part of our operations. Groups, we have only one L1 analyst group. Host access and host access, allow all and deny all and allow. Here it means I am logging via one particular IP. This host is sitting on a static IP. Daily, he sits on 192.168.1.78. So we want deny all and allow only a particular IP address. Maybe this. If he logs in from 75 or 72 or any other IP address, it would be denied. And we want that, hey, guest IP series should not be allowed. So we can select allow all and deny only this particular IP address. A single deny if you want to make here, and a single allow you want to make, select here. We don't want as of now anything, just leave empty as it is. So now John can log in from any other device. Just go ahead and save. Given name was invalid, so I need to give John. That's all. Now John has been created. He has been assigned the rights. You can delete the user of John. You cannot delete this particular user. You can edit the permissions. Maybe John is promoted tomorrow as an L2. You need to give him more permissions to work. So definitely they can do. And we want to add another user. Let's clone it up. So I'm going to clone and edit. Now instead of John, I need to give, let's say, Silvas. Another L1 analyst. Use existing password or new password for Silvas I want to create. A different password for Silvas. Permission would be as it is. Just go ahead and save it up. So now two users have been created for L1. Similarly, one can do all the things for L2, L3 and stuff. Now let's try to log in to the John's account and see what the admin can see versus what John can see. This is how you create the users. Then we have something called as permissions that we have already seen. Performance. Yeah, so it gave us some error, but yeah, we want to see regarding the performance and health check sort of things inside our scanning. So let's say I want to check for whole day from 26th to 27th. What is the update? So we can check report for last hour, but yeah, typically this is how the report would be shown. Any sort of suspicious things you might get would be automatically getting resolved here inside the case. You can select a specific time and make it things happen. Always, if you are unaware regarding the things, click on the documentation link and read regarding what are the different information available. Processes, system load, CPU usage, memory usage, swap usage. All this information are being displayed inside the section, and why it is important, certain things will be shown to you. After that, we have thresh scan. So whatever you deleted would be present up here. So audits, credentials, filters, groups. We have few of the data scanners, target and task. Let's try, for example, users is there, user roles. Yeah, role is there. For example, if I go ahead and delete this particular role, which one? The VA custom role. If I go ahead and delete, this has been deleted successfully. Now, if you go to the thresh scan and you go to the roles, you're going to get one. And if you click on that particular thing, you're going to get what role was deleted or what in the role was deleted. You can delete permanently or you can restore it. If I click on restore, it has been restored successfully. You go again to the role section and the same thing would be displayed up here. That is the thresh scan. And you have the feed status. So we are getting the community feed, that is the free one given by the Greenbone. We may have commercial license. If you pay from them as a cloud service, we can get that particular thing. Status is too old, 96 days older is there, and you need to make the feed via the Linux. So it would be going to feed the scan the feed. So these are the administration options that are available in the OpenVas. Thank you.